India is in the middle of fighting COVID-19, a pandemic, and perhaps one of the greatest impacts of this is our water supply. So with me, Union Minister Jal Shakti Gajendra Shekhawat. Thank you, sir, for speaking with Hindustan Times. Your ministry's data says that only about 18% people have piped water right now. So how difficult is it for people to practice wash, which is, very frequently keep washing your hands in our countryside, in our slum areas? Mumbai is a huge hotspot. How difficult is it, sir?
Water was not available in the home, but through the National Drinking Water Program, which was going for last so many years or the decades, and the efforts which have been made by the states, the water was available in the close vicinity. Maybe it is 100 meters, 50 meters, though as per the National Rural Drinking Water Programs that it should be within the limit of 100 meters to the household. But some of the villages, practically if I say about, then it is available on a much longer distance, but still it was available. We requested states during this lockdown period also. We wrote a letter. I wrote a letter to the chief ministers and the respective ministers also to ensure and ensure sustainable water supply through those public stand posts or the GLR or the common sources of water.
So I know you're obviously doing all that you can, but practically speaking, sir, it must be a problem. I mean, for people to, because people would be even accessing drinking water. Isn't it a luxury? Many people are pointing out that, for in our rural areas or places, for example, one of the figures that you gave me in your last interview was that places like West Bengal and Bihar, Bihar has 2% piped water, households with piped water, and West Bengal has and Uttar Pradesh have only 1%. So for all of them, it must be a luxury, sir.
Bihar have set their targets of completing that program in 2020. So they are doing and working in big manner. The Telangana is working in big manner. They have almost on the verge of completion of this program.
But right now, the fact that we are going through and tackling this pandemic at a time when people don't have water, is that a problem?
It's a challenge, and looking towards that challenge only to bring the changes in the life of a common people. The Prime Minister envisaged this program. There was a problem for the people before the Prime Narendra Modi ji came in the power in 2014. They were having no electricity in the villages. They were having no toilets in the villages. Even 32% of the population only were enjoying toilets at their home. Now we can proudly say that we have achieved that goal, which was set by the United Nations for the countries, and countries especially country like India, which was contributing 60% of the total open defecators in the world. But we have successfully achieved that, and I can say that you may call it luxury, but we are going to achieve it in the targeted time.
In the targeted time, but right now it may be a little. I just wanted to ask you, sir, there are some, of course, advantages that we've seen. I know that you feel passionately about cleaning up our rivers. What do you make of the fact that one of the side effects of this entire lockdown has been that the Ganga is suddenly clean, that the Yamuna is cleaner than we've ever seen it? And do you fear that things will immediately go back as soon as the industries open up?
There are almost 3 visible causes which creates the pollution in the water resources, whether it is river or flowing water or the water reservoirs. The first one is sewage, the treated, untreated or semi-treated sewage which is being discharged into the rivers. The second one is industrial effluent, and third, almost all our rivers, and more specifically Ganga, Yamuna and Narmada and Kaveri and these rivers, they are considered as holy rivers. And crores and crores people every day go there and they take bath there, they wash their clothes there, their cattle and animals go there, they discharge everything of theirs there in the rivers. So the river get polluted because of all these 3 probable reasons or major reasons. Out of 3, because of this lockdown, 2 were closed. Number 1 is industry the no effluent was coming, or almost minuscule level that the effluent was coming, and the second one is the live connection with the river, which was missing because of the people were locked down at their home. So, because of this, certainly there are changes which has been observed in the quality of water, but as far as the Ganga and the tributaries are concerned, it's not a much difference which we have observed. See, in Ganges, in last Kumbh, which happened last year in Prayagraj, 22 crore people have observed the change in the quality of water of the Ganga, and that is because of the mission mode efforts under the leadership of Prime Minister was done through Namami Gange mission. We have almost completed 100 sewage projects, they are functional in the entire stretch of Ganges, and out of 300 total projects, and 200 are still under the progress, and I believe that by next 2 years they will be completed. Some of them we are going to complete before the Kumbh, which is scheduled in next year. We, through our ministry, we did a rafting expedition right from the origin, point of origin in Devprayag, where the Ganga originates, the two rivers, the holy rivers meet, converge there, and the Ganga originates practically, and the point of conversion where the Ganga water is discharged in Fraserganj, almost 40-50 kilometers from away from Calcutta. So, in the entire stretch of that 2,500 plus kilometers, because so many scientists were there in that expedition, number of aquatic, the scholars of aquatic science was there. So, they have observed and found and declared that there is a huge difference in quality of water, and the first thing by which we can observe or meter the quality of water is the aquatic life.
Yeah.
Earlier you would you cannot even imagine that what was the position in the water near Kanpur, but today the Kanpur waters are absolutely clean. The Sisamo drain, which we used to see whenever the Ganga and pollution of Ganga was shown in any picture, Sisamo drain used to be the integral part of that story. A drain, huge drain, which is discharging almost 130 crore liters water into the drain, sewage into the drain, directly discharging since the Britishers' time. Now it's not there. It has been completely stopped, tapped, and then treated, and then thereafter it is discharged. This season, if I say about river Ganges, then because this water comes out of the snow melting, so it appears comparatively better. The similar position is in the Yamuna water also, and during this lockdown period, especially if I say about Yamuna, during this lockdown period, almost 2 or 3 times there were big rains.
Yeah.
And because of those rains, the water discharge in the water flowing in the river, that was increased from 0 to 3,000 cubic. Otherwise, during this season, there is hardly any water after Delhi in river Yamuna. It's absolutely the sewer water which is being discharged in this 22 kilometer stretch of Delhi. So, the water which was flowing is water which flows is normally it is a sewage water, either treated or untreated sewage water. But during this period, it was a coincidence that the untimely rains were there and the water was flowing almost 3,000 cubic. That was the one reason. The other reason was because it was the time when the harvest was going in the agriculture. So, the water which has been withdrawn in Delhi through Gurgaon Canal and the Agra Canal from the Hatnikund barrage, that was also not been taken out of the river, that water was also flowing. The quantity of water increased, that is the bigger reason. But again, looking towards this industrial shutdown as an opportunity to study, Prime Minister directed us and instructed us to take samples of the river and use this period as an opportunity to study how much pollution is contributed in the rivers, especially in the Yamuna and Ganga, through the industrial affluent. So, for the future planning and everything, we can use this data.